It's exciting to me that I have a natural source to use for my family.
I know that they're safe and that they're effective and that I'm not harming my children by using them.
I'm glad the medicines are there if I need to use them, but generally the essential oils work.
To understand why essential oils are so beneficial, you must first understand what they are. Essential oils are natural aromatic compounds found in the seeds, bark, stems, roots, flowers, and other parts of plants gathered from around the world. While it's true they can be very fragrant, essential oils are extremely therapeutic.
Many of our essential oils contain powerful cleansing properties and are naturally antimicrobial. Because of their unique chemical structure, our essential oils pass directly through the skin and create immediate benefits that are systemic, which means doTERRA essential oils strengthen the entire body. Essential oils are considered a dietary aid and promote vitality and well-being.
Throughout history, people have used many forms of plant medicine, especially essential oils. Many believe the Egyptians were the first to discover the benefits and therapeutic effects of these oils. In fact, essential oils were considered to be so valuable, grave robbers often left the gold and jewels in the tombs and took only the oil. Over time, other cultures used essential oils for a variety of therapeutic treatments. Modern trends toward more holistic approaches to self-care and growing scientific validation of alternative health practices are driving a rediscovery of the profound health benefits of essential oils.
doTERRA essential oils contain multifaceted, naturally occurring compounds which makes them unique. These unique molecules allow essential oils to work with all the cells and tissues in the body.
It's been estimated that essential oils can be as much as 70 times more effective than dried herbs, and in fact, 1 drop of peppermint is as potent as 28 cups or more of peppermint tea. Essential oils are immediately reactive in the body because their chemical structures are already in their most usable form.
Because there are no accepted regulatory standards that govern the quality of essential oils, I've discovered that many oils labeled therapeutic grade are devoid of value due to impurities. That's why industry professionals as well as individuals recognize the superior quality and value of doTERRA essential oils. Not all essential oils are alike. To be safe and effective, they must be pure, free from any alterations that would reduce their therapeutic benefit and their life-sustaining properties.
In creating doTERRA, we wanted to bring a new standard of therapeutic grade essential oils to the world, and we believe that we've accomplished that. These products truly are a gift to the earth, providing tremendous natural benefits to the health and well-being of people everywhere.
The very first time that I was able to use a doTERRA essential oil, the difference was so extraordinary, would be the word to describe it. As I would breathe in the oil, I thought, if this is lemon oil, what have I been using? If this is frankincense, what have I been using?
The quality of the essential oils was definitely different. The potency of the essential oils, which obviously affects the effectiveness of the essential oils, and it was just incredible, the difference.
The thing that I love about doTERRA is it only takes a couple drops to have a powerful impact.
We have a new philosophy of wellness here at doTERRA. By educating people about the benefits of essential oils and enabling them to experience the doTERRA difference, we believe we can help individuals from all walks of life lead healthier, more vibrant lives. Our goal is to empower families to practice safe and effective everyday wellness at home. Essential oils are so easy to incorporate into our daily lives.
To fulfill our mission, we will share the benefits of essential oils by creating a leveraged network of highly educated and experienced botanists, chemists, health scientists, and healthcare professionals committed to developing the highest quality therapeutic grade essential oils. Every doTERRA essential oil will be certified pure therapeutic grade.
We will distribute our products through independent product consultants who will educate, introduce, and sell doTERRA's wellness philosophy and products through person-to-person contact and personalized web shopping sites. We are committed to providing the most comprehensive educational opportunities for those interested in learning more about essential oils and a higher level of health consciousness.
And finally, we will bring together healthcare professionals from both traditional and alternative medicine to further the study and use of therapeutic-grade essential oils in modern healthcare practices.
I know that I'm in control, that I can do something, and that's a great feeling.
The excitement in the entire family, not just myself, my husband, and her siblings as well. As soon as we saw color coming back to her face, it was very exciting to see something finally bring her relief, both physically and emotionally.
She was nearly in tears, and she said, "Peggy, thank you so much for introducing us to doTERRA, because our daughter doesn't cry anymore. She's just, she's so happy, and it's so nice." And the mother was really frantic because her daughter was suffering, and now she isn't.
She didn't really believe that the oils would work, but she said she wanted to try it. So I put the oils on her, and she said, "Teresa," this was within a few minutes, she said, "my headache is gone." And I started laughing. I said, "I know." She said, No, I mean it's gone. I said, "I know. That is the way they work. They're very fast."
doTERRA is a company with global reach. Sourcing essential oils from around the world is absolutely necessary to achieving the certified pure therapeutic grade standard. In order to be most effective and beneficial, essential oils must be sourced in their native and often indigenous habitat. doTERRA's network of botanical growers and distillers span many countries across the globe, from France to Sri Lanka and from Corsica to the home of the famed frankincense trail in Oman. We are uncompromising on purity and potency.
Once doTERRA botanicals are harvested at the ideal time and their aromatic compounds skillfully extracted by experienced distillers, they are subjected to chemical analysis to ensure purity and composition. doTERRA essential oils may be applied topically to the skin, diffused aromatically into a room, or taken internally as dietary supplements.
And I was a little bit stubborn with it. I was a little bit nervous to give up I guess you could say, Western side of medicine. Once you try it, it opens your eyes to a whole new world.
If someone buys oils from me and I don't get a phone call from them later, or they don't place another order down the road later, I simply know they're not using them.
doTERRA essential oils offer a practical approach to supporting better health. Our primary goal is to help men and women everywhere take control of their health and the health of their families.
I don't want mothers to live in fear. I want them to know about doTERRA. I want them to know about the essential oils and the alternative that's there.
It brought great comfort and relief during the night when he was having difficulty breathing, many times.
Time and time again in my own practice, I've seen essential oils transform people's lives in dramatic ways. I want everyone to know they can enjoy more vitality and better health by using doTERRA certified pure therapeutic grade essential oils.
If you will just try our products, you will soon realize why so many consider doTERRA to be a gift of the earth.
We invite you to experience this wonderful gift by becoming part of the doTERRA family today.
If you have a pure, certified pure therapeutic grade essential oil, they are safe for use. Now that doesn't mean there isn't some education involved. One should become educated on how to use the oils.
There's legitimate information out there that shows why they affect our bodies the way they do.
With doTERRA, having that certified pure therapeutic grade testing, it made me feel so much better.
All over the world, people are starting to use doTERRA oils, not only as a business-making tool, but as a life-changing tool.